Alright, so in this video we are required to find each sum of difference of this expression given here. Now let me quickly explain something. It may be very simple to some people, but some people need it. When you have numbers or expression inside brackets here, we always assume, especially if there's no number beside the brackets, that the coefficient of those terms is 1. So we can write this as 1 into bracket 5x squared minus 3x plus 14, right? Then plus 1 into bracket 2x squared plus x minus 9. So all we do is just use this 1 to open this bracket, then we do the other things. So if you use 1 to multiply everything inside this bracket, right, it will still give us what? 5x squared minus 3x plus 14. Then plus, if you use 1 to open this bracket, it will give you what? 2x squared plus x minus what? 9. So the next thing is for us to collect like terms. So the like terms we are talking about is 5x squared and 2x squared are like terms. Then the next one, minus 3x and x and like are like terms. Then 14 and minus 9 are also what? Like terms. So we can write it as what? 5x squared plus 2x squared, then minus 3x, right, plus what? X, then plus what? 14 minus what? 9. So 5x squared plus 2x squared, that will give us 7x squared. Minus 3x plus x, that will give us minus 2x. Then 14 minus 9, that will give us plus what? 5. So this is the simplified form of this algebraic expression. That is for A. Then let's go to B. Now the same thing I did for A is what I'm going to be doing for B. But you have to be very careful because of the presence of this minus in this other side. So I will still rewrite this. So rewriting this, I will still write it as 1 into bracket minus 2p cubed plus 7p squared minus 1. Then minus 1 into bracket 4p cubed, right, plus p minus what? 6. So if you use this one to open this bracket, we are going to be having minus 2p cubed, right, then plus 7p squared minus 1. It's easier because this is plus 1 here is positive, okay? But this case, this is minus 1, so you have to be very careful. Minus 1 times, 4p cubed, that will give us minus 4p cubed. Minus 1 times p, that is minus what? P. Then minus 1 times minus is that's minus times minus, that is plus. 1 times 6, that is what? 6. So the next thing we need to do is to collect like terms. So we have minus 2p cubed, right? Then this is the next term to it, minus 4p cubed. Then 7p squared, do we have another p squared here? No. Plus 7p squared, right? Then minus p. Then minus 1 plus what? 6. So minus 2p cubed minus 4p cubed, that will give us minus what? 6p cubed, right? Then plus 7p squared, then minus p, right? Minus 1 plus 6, that is what? Plus 5. So this is the final answer. I want to believe this video accepts someone. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.